Hello guys, good morning. I'm here now pila guys. Look guys, very long pila guys. Very long parade. Very long. We standing here many people aside the road. Her village guys. Her is village. Look guys. I have many.
Dito kayo, marami
I have many people here. I have many kids, many children, many people there and there also guys. Very long guys. I have playground here. See guys, I have many people here. Like this, like there guys. I'm here by the road, her village. All many people living here is rich people guys. Look guys, I have a mini big house here. House. It's raining now guys here in my country, Philippines. Look guys. I'm wearing jacket guys because cold, not very cold. It's raining here guys now in the morning. I just wake up earlier in the morning because I need doing her because I need food. This is a reason why many people still standing here because I have Congressman Her Marikina gave many people food, helping many people because today is so I'm sorry guys because today is, you know guys, Christmas, right? Okay guys, many people using also mini umbrella because it's raining here. Look, the road is look at guys, I'm tired still standing here, but I need sacrifice for myself and my daughter and my granddaughter and my two grandson and two granddaughter and my two daughter because also me guys because I need food. You see guys, you see big house. There also I have a mini big house because her is village subdivision guys. I have many car here side the road. Look guys, look there guys, look, I have many people also there still standing waiting food with giving Congressman Her Marikina City Kimbo guys. Okay. Hello to all my friends, follow me Annalyn Saicon gmail.com guys. I'm here now. I'm here doing vlogger Marikina City guys. First Marikina, Lilac Marikina City guys. Look guys, very noisy here, very noisy because I have many people talking. Always talking, noisy, very noisy guys. Very long parade guys here, fellow friends guys. Look guys. Okay, bye guys. Good morning, Merry Christmas.